Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video.
You come to my motel, slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Okay, first things first, we're gonna do our brows. Then I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm gonna apply that on my eyelids. Next, I'm just basically taking this bigger brush and I'm setting the concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to use this brown right here from the Shany palette and I'm going to apply that first. So I'm taking this lighter brown and I'm applying it above the brown that I just laid down. Now I'm using black and I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm just going back in with that same brown that I used at first and I'm going to blend it in with the black. So now I'm just going to do the same thing to the next eye. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the Rio edition. I'm using this white right here and I'm going to use that to fill in my crease. So now I'm taking the Duo Glue and I'm going to apply that on my crease before I apply the glitter. Right here I'm just going to pack the glitter on. It's 3D glitter, so there's a lot of fallout and it's kind of harder to pack on. That's why we're using Duo Glue, but yeah. Right here, I was simply just going back in my Shany palette with the black and just lining above the crease, just so it looks more structured. So yeah, we're not done with the glitter yet. You could go back in and add more glitter until it's completely to your liking. So right here I'm taking my brush and I'm just adding black on the outer crease. Next I'm taking my liner and all the products that I used will be in the description box. But next I'm taking my liner and I'm just going to line my eyes. As you can see right here on my other eye, I did the liner first because I found that it's better to do it first than to do it last and then try to put the liner over the glitter it's just easier to do the liner first. So now I'm going in with the duo glue again, and then afterwards I'm gonna apply the glitter just like how I did on the other eye, except on this one I did the liner first. So if there's any glitter that's like sticking out and not laying down, you just take a brush and pat it into your eye. So now I'm taking my white liner and I'm gonna line above the black liner. I didn't make a full wing liner, I just did it like halfway, but if you want to, you can. It's completely your preference. Now I'm taking my mini Fenty primer and I'm going to prime my face. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 450. I'm going to apply that, and as you can see, I didn't apply much because I didn't get my correct shade. But baby, I'm going to use this foundation, okay? So I only applied a little bit because a little bit goes a long way, but yeah. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer and I'm going to conceal all of my T-zones. Then I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend that out. To finish blending, I'm just going to use a brush. Next, I'm using my BH Cosmetics contour kit and I'm going to contour my face. Next, I'm using my mini Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I promise you guys I'm going to get the regular size soon. But yeah, I'm just going to set my face now. So my BH Cosmetics contour kit wasn't doing it for me today, so I went in with my Kiss contour kit and just touched that up, you know. Then I'm just going to brush away the setting powder. And now I'm going to set my face with my NYX setting spray. And for highlight, we're using Fenty Beauty's Hustla Baby. For my lips, I'm taking this She lip liner And I'm gonna line my lips. Then I'm using Milk Diamond from Fenty Beauty. So I'm using this NYX mascara and I'm applying it on my bottom lashes. For my lashes, I'm using A1's Lashes Nubian. I hope you guys like this video. I think this look is very suitable for any event, prom, your birthday, whatever the case might be. You're gonna be iced out, sis. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? If your man mad, baby, oh, oh, oh.